Hello viewers, are you planning to buy any tablet right now in Flipkart's Big Bang Diwali sale or Amazon Great Diwali sale? In that case, I will request you not to buy any tablet right now. Except few tablets, the price of all the tablets are on the higher side and they are not offering any great discounts on tablets. The sellers of Flipkart and Amazon are very clever. They have increased the price of the popular tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP+, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, iPad 11th generation and even iPad 10th generation not even in the sale this time. However, you may get discounts on tablets like Xiaomi Pad 7, Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi and 5G variant, Poco Pad 5G, Oneplus Pad Go, Oneplus Pad 2. So if you want to buy any other tablet you can buy, but if you are looking for branded tablet or iPad like iPad 11th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP+, in that case this is not the right time for you to buy these tablets. Before buying any tablet you must know the exact pricing or the best pricing for each and every tablet. Only then you should make any purchase. I have made many videos on the best price of tablets. So if you are interested, I can make another updated list of pricing of tablets. If you are interested, let me know in the comment sections below. Now many people are asking me when the Christmas sale will arrive. I think it will arrive in the first week of December 2025 and there will be many discounts on tablets. Also there will be offers on cards, especially credit cards, and exchange bonus will be there. So without wasting your money in this Diwali sale, you should rather wait for Christmas sale if you don't have any urgency of buying any tablet. I think this short video will definitely help you to have the right decision on buying a tablet. Now let me know in the comment sections below your thoughts about buying any tablet right now, and if you have any other queries, in that case you can ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.